Hello everyone, you're welcome. In today's video, we are solving a very interesting Math Olympiad question, which is 5 to power t. This is equal to t to power 625. So what is the value of t? Now solution from here, we have that 5 to power t, this is equal to t to power 625. The first thing here, let's put the variable t on one side. What is the variable t on the left hand side? And we have also the variable t on the right hand side. So let's put the variables on one side and the constant terms on one side. So to do this, let's multiply both sides by 1 over t by 1 over t. So here t and t simplifies so that here we'll have 5. This is equal to t to power 625 raised to power 1 over t. The next step here, now if you have a to power n raised to power m, this can be expressed as a to power m raised to power n. Now applying this exponent property, it follows that here we'll have 5 is equal to, now here we'll have t to power 1 over t raised to power 625. Now, the next step here, let's multiply both sides by 1 over 625 and also here by 1 over 625. So 625 and 625 simplifies here. So we can write this as t to power 1 over t. This is equal to 5 raised to power 1 over 625. Now from what we have here, we have t to power 1 over t. This is equal to 5. Now this is the same thing as 5 to power 1 multiplied by 1 over 625. Now we can express 1 basically as 5 divided by 5. Therefore, we'll have t to power 1 over t. This is equal to 5 to power 5 over 5 here times 1 over 625. So the next step here, we can express this as t to power 1 over t. This is equal to 5 to power 5 raised to power 1 over 5 multiplied by 625. Now from what we have here, 5 to power 5, this is the same thing as 5 times 5 times 5 times 5 times 5. Okay, so 5 times 5, this is 25. 5 times 5 here, this is 25. So 25 times 25, this is actually 625 multiplied by 5. So 5 times 5, this is 25, carry 2 here. 5 times 2, 10 plus 2, this is 12, carry 1 here. 6 times 5, this is 30 plus 1, this is 31. So we have 3125. Now, let's proceed from here. Now here we have 5 to power 5, this is 3125. And that implies that t to power 1 over t, this is equal to 3125 raised to power 1 over 5 times 625. And again here, if you say 5 times 625, this again, this is 3125. So in this case, we have t to power 1 over t. This is equal to 3125 raised to power 1 over 3125. So you can see here, the base and the exponent is equal here. And also here we have 3125 and 3125. So this implies that t is equal to 3125. So this is the value of t. In this case, let's verify that this value of t actually satisfies the equation. Now, if you recall here, we end that 5 to power t. This should give us a value of t to power 625. Now here we have t equal to 3125. So therefore here we'll have 5 raised to power 3125. This is equal to t, which is 3125 raised to power 625. So the next step here, we can express 3125 as 5 to power 5. Now substituting this, we have 5 to power 3125. Now this is equal to 5 to power 5 multiplied by 625. Now, given that a to power n raised to power m, this can be expressed as a to power n multiplied by m. So applying this exponent property, then it follows that we'll have 5 to power 3125. This is equal to, now here we have 5 to power, now this is 5 times 625. And 5 times 625, this is equal to 3125. And therefore, we'll have on the left side 5 to power 3125. This is equal to 5 to power 3125. And that implies that the left-hand side is essentially equal to the right-hand side. And that affirms that the value of t, which is equal to 3125, actually satisfies the equation. So kindly follow the steps, like this video and subscribe. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching.